the DuBois, Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday, January 11th, 2022. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio from Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania on a frequency of 162.500 MHz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon each Wednesday. This radio station, KZZ42, serves the following counties in west central Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Clarion, Clearfield, Indiana, and Jefferson. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. The forecast for Punxsutawney and all of west central Pennsylvania.